Besan ki laddu with very less ingredients. Cook with Appu. Please like and subscribe. Hello friends. This is Cook with Appu. Today we are going to make besan ka laddu. It is a very famous sweet dish without any oil, without much of sweet. See, we have taken only 1 cup of sugar. Dry fruits I have taken kaju, kismis and badam. Then raisins means same. Water, clarified butter which is made in home by my grandmother. You can use if you have ready made also. Besan I have taken. I'll be taking only 200 to 300 grams, which makes 10 to 15 laddus. So for steps, I'll just be in my microwave oven. The black thing just you can see in my screen is my microwave oven. In that I'll just keep this besan and the ghee for 6 minutes and roast it nicely. Means in microwave oven which you go for normal cooking mode 6 minutes, auto reheat mode also you call it, 6 minutes I've kept. After 3 minutes you have to mix it nicely, then 3 minutes, so 6 minutes total. Then in a pan I'll take 1 cup of sugar, half cup of water and mix it very nicely. Then I'll fry this. Then after taking out, after 6 minutes, after the sugar syrup is ready, I'll put this besan and the ghee roasted in the microwave to that and mix it well, and put the fried dry fruits also and mix it well, and then make the balls. So making sugar syrup I always show in many of my recipes. That's why many of them told that make some short videos so we are able to see. So you can see in my rasgulla recipes, every recipe just you have to take half cup of water and take sugar and stir it completely for 10 to 15 minutes. It becomes sticky. Then we'll put the besan and the ghee. I've many times repeated in this recipe the procedure because many forget to put the dry fruits and then besan laddus don't come nice. Then you can take elachi also, cardamom if you want. In the sugar syrup only you can put it. Then we'll roll it out, but in this today's recipe we have to roll it when the besan and ghee and sugar syrup is hot. We have to bind it because that's why I'll be taking my grandmother for helping me. She'll be helping me for rolling out the laddus. So I'll show you after my sugar syrup and besan is ready. And please subscribe my channel. Now after making besan and sugar syrup I'll show you. Thank you. So I have roasted the besan for 6 minutes in the microwave, or else you can roast it by frying it also, but I have used microwave for roasting the besan for 6 minutes. I have fried the dry fruits which I had showed in the starting and mixed it well, and after mixing I've left it for 20 minutes to cool it down. Till that time I have made the sugar syrup. Sugar syrup I have made in many of my recipes, that's why I didn't show you completely. You can see in my rasgulla recipe, you can see in my jalebi recipes, many just but in this recipe I have taken 1 cup of sugar and half cup of water because it's laddus. We are going to make besan ka laddus. So this we'll put in the sugar syrup and mix it. Now you can see I have mixed it well with the sugar syrup. Now I'll make it in circle shapes to make it besan ka laddu. I'll just repeat you the steps. The steps are you have to bake in the microwave for 6 minutes the besan, or just put it in a thick bottom pan and mix it well for 6 minutes with the ghee, clarified butter nicely. Then fry the dry fruits, make the sugar syrup with 1 cup of sugar, half cup of water. Then we'll put the besan and the fried dry fruits together in the sugar syrup and mix it well. This is just a recap, and you can see it will become like this. Now we'll make it into circle shapes. This is a very quick recipe. Many were asking for to post sweet dish recipes, quick recipes of sweet dishes. That's why I thought of this besan laddu, which I took help from my grandmother again. Like many of my recipes, she only helps. So this was also her recipe. So please like and subscribe if you like this laddu. Now I'll just roll it out. This is my grandmother. She is just rolling the laddus because it is hot enough. So you can take elder's help. I'll just roll every laddu and I'll help her and show you after some time. And see, this should be the size. If you want bigger, you can roll it bigger also. Yet another special Cook with Appu recipe. Besan laddu is ready. For more notifications, press the bell icon, like and subscribe my channel. These two laddus I made. Other all laddus was made by my grandmother. And this is a very special recipe. All should try. I have told the steps 2 or 3 times. Please follow the steps and you can make this recipe easily. Thank you. This is Cook with Appu.